Subscribe now for more stories like this. On Saturday morning, Maya woke up early. The sun was shining through her window, and she felt excited. Today is the day, she thought. She wanted to cook something special for dinner. Her family was coming over, and she wanted to impress them. I need fresh vegetables and spices, she decided. Maya quickly got ready and called her friend Amit. Good morning, Amit. Would you like to go to the market with me? She asked. Of course. I love the market. It's always so lively and colorful, Amit replied with enthusiasm. They arrived at the market around 9 a.m. The streets were busy with people, and the atmosphere was filled with energy. Vendors shouted, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. The smell of spices and flowers filled the air, making Maya even more excited. As they walked through the market, Maya admired the vibrant colors around her. Look at those tomatoes, she exclaimed. They are so red and juicy, yes, and the onions look very fresh too. Amit replied, pointing to a stall. They approached Mr. Kumar's vegetable stall. He was known for selling the best vegetables in town. Hello, Mr. Kumar. Maya greeted him with a warm smile. Hello, Maya. Hello, Amit. What can I get for you today? Mr. Kumar asked, his face lighting up with joy. I would like some tomatoes, onions, and a bunch of coriander, please, Maya said. Sure. Here you go, Mr. Kumar said as he packed the vegetables in a bag. That will be 50 rupees. Maya handed him the money and thanked him. Everything looks so fresh today. What are you cooking? He inquired. I'm making vegetable curry and rice, Maya replied excitedly. I want it to be delicious, sounds wonderful. You can also add some potatoes and spinach, Mr. Kumar suggested. Great idea. I will get those too, Maya said. After finishing with Mr. Kumar, they continued exploring the market. They spotted a stall selling colorful fruits. Look at those mangoes, Amit exclaimed. They look ripe and delicious. Maya smiled. Let's buy a few. They will be perfect for dessert. They walked over to Ravi's fruit stall. Hello, Ravi. Can we have 6 of those mangoes, please? Maya asked. Of course. These are the sweetest mangoes in town, Ravi said, handing them the fruits. That will be 30 rupees. After buying the mangoes, they headed to a spice stall nearby. The colors of the spices were vibrant, and the aroma was intoxicating. I need some turmeric and cumin for the curry, Maya said. The vendor at the stall, Nisha, greeted them with a warm smile. Welcome. What spices do you need today? Can we have some turmeric and cumin, please? Maya requested. Certainly. Here you go, Nisha replied, filling a small bag with spices. And don't forget to add a pinch of garam masala for extra flavor. Thanks for the tip, Nisha, Maya said. I'll definitely add that. After shopping for about an hour, Maya and Amit had all the ingredients they needed. I think we should also buy some yogurt. It goes well with curry, Amit suggested. Good idea. Let's find a dairy stall, Maya agreed. They soon found a stall selling fresh yogurt. The vendor was an elderly woman who was very friendly. Good morning. We would like some yogurt, please, Maya said. Sure. How much do you need? The woman asked. Just one small container, please, Amit replied. The woman filled a container with creamy yogurt and handed it to them. That will be 20 rupees. With their shopping bags full, they returned to Maya's home, excited to start cooking. In the kitchen, Maya washed the vegetables while Amit peeled the potatoes. This is going to be so tasty, Amit said, as he helped chop the spinach. Maya smiled. Yes. First, I will chop the onions and tomatoes, then we can start cooking. She began slicing the onions, and soon, the kitchen was filled with the aroma of fresh vegetables. As they cooked, they shared stories. Do you remember the time we made that pasta dish? Maya laughed. We accidentally added too much salt, yes. It was so salty that we couldn't eat it. Amit chuckled. But we learned to be more careful with the spices after that. After a while, they started preparing the curry. Maya heated oil in a pan and added the chopped onions. The onions need to be golden brown, she said. Then, she added tomatoes, turmeric, cumin, and garam masala. This smells amazing, Amit said, stirring the mixture. They cooked together, laughing and enjoying the process. Once the curry was ready, Maya boiled the rice. The aroma filled the kitchen, making them both hungry. Finally, dinner was ready. They set the table with plates, glasses, and bowls. This looks delicious, Amit said, admiring their hard work. Maya served the curry and rice, and they sat down to eat. I'm really proud of us, she said, taking a bite. The flavors are perfect. This is the best meal I've had in a long time, Amit replied, smiling widely. After finishing dinner, they decided to have the sweet mangoes for dessert. They sliced the mangoes and enjoyed every juicy bite. What a perfect day, Maya said with a smile. As they cleaned up the kitchen, they talked about their plans for the next weekend. We should try to cook something different, Amit suggested. How about a biryani? It's a bit more complicated, but I think we can handle it, Maya replied enthusiastically. Definitely. I'm looking forward to it, Amit said.